Are you a journaling newbie, or perhaps you're someone who's heard of the power of journaling? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to journal and some prompts to get you started. My name is Adriana Girdler, and I'm President and Chief Efficiency Officer of Cornerstone Dynamics and myvisualvision.com. And journaling is a powerful tool. And it is something that I recommend to everyone in the world of efficiency to actually do, because it is through reflection that we have a true understanding as to where improvements lie. And it is that reflection that allows us to go to the next level of whatever it is we're trying to achieve, particularly with our goals and vision. So I would like to share with you some tried and true techniques to get you started on this path of journaling. First and foremost, there are no rules to journaling. So don't get caught up on how it has to be done, because guess what? No one is going to see it but you. That's the beauty of journaling. It is a brain dump. It is a place for you to start putting down your thoughts, because you'll be amazed at how much is going on in here. Sometimes we even have our own conversations that are happening. Journaling allows you to sift through all of that noise and really get to the root of what you want to do. So there's no rules. Just start journaling. The next thing you want to do is you actually want to get yourself some really nice books. So I want to share with you some here. So you get some really nice journals. It could be something really simple or something a little more elaborate. But one thing I've noticed over the years of journaling is these are your thoughts, and they should be treated with care and with respect and love. So guess what? Just don't put it on a little piece of paper so that it can get lost. Put it in a single location. Really get yourself a beautiful journal, because your thoughts are that important. The next thing you want to do is you want to journal daily. This is a discipline. It's a habit. So if you're not used to journaling, then guess what? Like working out, man, you got to do it every day. But don't get overwhelmed. Give yourself 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes a day. And exactly where you decide to do it is dependent upon you. If you decide to do it in the morning, then make it a journal that is looking at your day coming up. If it is a journaling that you like to do at night, then make your journal a reflection of how your day went. But just be disciplined with this task and do 5 or 10 minutes a day. All right, now that you are getting into journaling, you're dedicated, you have your books. Help, Adriana, how do I start? Okay, sit down at a desk, relax. I'm going to give you some prompts, some really great prompts to start you off. I'm going to give you some work prompts, and I'm going to give you some personal prompts. So let me just get my cheat sheet here, because I need my glasses for reading. One of the work-related prompts you could use is, what are you grateful for? In fact, up above is a link to a video that I did on the importance of gratitude, so please check it out. And that's a lovely way to start your journaling practice. Another one is 1 to 3 things that went really well today, and why? Because you want to learn from these things and you want to repeat it. The next one would be, what are the 1 to 3 things that didn't work well today? Because guess what? We're in the process of learning, and what a great way to do that through your journal. The other one is, what personal value did I employ today? Or what personal value do I want to employ? So depending on the time of your journaling, whether it's in the morning or in the evening, change up the verbiage slightly. That's a lovely way to get you in the right frame of mind in order to proceed for the day, or at least be reflective to see, are you actually practicing what you're preaching and what's really important to you? And the other one is, what are my goals for work? So break that down. You don't have to do it all at once. You can do, what is my goal for work for this year? And just journal on that. Another day, maybe pick it out and say, what are my goals for work for this month? And so on and so forth. And you can do that up for a week, a day, even within an hour if you want to do it. What's my goal for the next hour? It's a lovely way to get you in the practice of journaling, because the key with journaling is doing, and the more you do it, the more of a habit it will become, and you'll start to see the power behind it. So what are some personal prompts for you in regards to journaling? Because again, you can use this not just from a professional standpoint, but a personal standpoint. Well, some of my favorites include, one thing I've always wanted to do, because you never want to forget about your dreams, the quality I admire in others, and you can finish it off by saying, Why do I admire that, and how can I emulate it? So again, you're journaling for greater understanding. The thing I am most thankful for, because again, I am in that frame of mind of gratitude, really important. The best advice I can give to myself. Guess what? We are brilliant with advice giving to others, sometimes not the best with taking it ourselves. Well, now you're going to write it in your journal, and you can read it back to yourself, which is really cool because that allows you to really hear it in a different light. And something that I always recommend is, what do I fear and why? Fear can be debilitating. And if we can understand why it debilitates us and what exactly it is we're fearful of, our journal can be a powerful tool in helping us grow. So when you get really good and consistent with your journaling and ideas are just flowing, you can take it to a whole new level and you can start using it for problem solving. Something that I do all the time, or idea creation. And that is, you just put what your problem is on the top and you just sit there for a moment, a little bit of in a meditative state, and you allow for the ideas to just start percolating in your brain, and you start to write it down and you go with the flow. That really is the next level you take your journaling to. It is powerful. I have come up with some amazing ideas, creative concepts, all because of my journal. But in order to get there, I couldn't get there at day one. You just have to start the process. So I hope these tips help you. Please, if you agree with them, write journal down below in the comment section. I'd also love to hear your stories. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe below, and don't forget to share this with your family and friends, as well as your colleagues. And I look forward to seeing you at my next video. Thank you very much. See you later.